Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11-plus countries, and 900-plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Hello everyone, today let us discuss Student Portal for the college by EduSys. Before we start the video, I would like to inform you that the modules and features available to you will be depend on the access permissions granted by your respective institution will be visible only after you log into your account. Please do not get confused by the video demonstration as it showcases all the features and modules supported by the EduSys ERP system, including those that may not be enabled for your institution. If you wish to explore or gain access to any feature that is currently not available in your login, we kindly request you to contact your institution directly. They will be able to guide you further and enable additional modules based on their policies and requirement. Let us explore all the features and modules. Dashboards. Upon login, you have land on your personalized dashboard. Here you will see a snapshot of your academic performance, progress, upcoming assignments, upcoming events, and any important updates. Access visual rich interactive dashboard that consolidate important information about your grades, attendance, assignments, behavior, and many more in a pictorial representation. Calendar. Meeting calendar. The meeting calendar helps students by ensuring they are aware of upcoming meeting between their parents and college staff. They allow students to prepare in advance for any discussions about their academy or behavior progress. Day-to-day activities. This screen keeps students update on their personal achievements, awards, and recognition. It helps build motivation and pride as students can see their progress and accomplishment documented in one place. Behavior. By tracking feedback from teachers and administrators, students can become more self-aware on their contact and interaction, helping them make improvement where needed. Discipline. This selection allows students to keep track on any disciplinary issues. It gives them transparency into how situations are handled and offered the changes for correction if there are any misunderstandings. Leave summary. This allows students to manage their children leave request easily and ensure that they do not miss any approval or rejections. It encourages them to stay on top of attendance and responsibilities. Food enrollment. Students can manage their meal plans directly, ensuring they are getting the right nutrition according to their preferences or dietary needs. This gives them more control over their well-being at college. Parent notification. By allowing parents to stay updated on the student progress, behavior, and other important information, student benefits from a support system at home that informs and can assist them with needs. It also encourages accountability as parents are more aware of academics, financial, and behavior milestones. Personal profile. Ensuring that the health records and personal details are kept up to the date graduates that students are already covered in case of medical emergencies. It also ensures that any critical information. Assigned task. By staying up to the date on all assigned tasks and deadlines, students can better manage their academic workload and stay organized. Accounts management. EduSys ERP Accounts Management module has received an excellent response from parents, students, and institution staff due to its transparency, simplicity, and comprehensive financial tracking within the student portal. Fee details. Students have direct access to their fee details, parents' history, and outstanding balance. This ensures that they can easily track their financial responsibilities, avoid missed payment, and plan ahead for any scholarship or discounts. Scholarship. The scholarship feature ensures that students are fully aware of any financial aids they have received, helping them understand how it affects their fee and any deadlines related to it. Wallet history. By keeping track of wallet transaction, students have better control over they spend on things like food, books, or other campus-related expenses. It also helps them avoid overspending. Exam grade, exam management, subject enrollment. This screen shows which course students are enrolled in and their responsibility details. It helps students keep track on their elective courses, deadlines, and credit values, allowing them to plan their academic path more effectively. Re-examination activity. If students need to take re-examination, this feature ensures they have visibility over all re-exam schedules, deadlines, and associate fee, helping them stay proactive in managing these situations. Examination grades and performances. Students can track their academic performance, including grades, marks, and test results. This helps them identify areas where they may need extra focus and prepare better for upcoming exam. EduSys eliminates external tool and make assessments texturized, automated, and ethical divine, improving learning outcomes. Report card. Students can access past report cards easily to track their long-term academic performance and identify patterns in their grades over time. Grievance and support. Raise complaint. If students have any issues or concerns, they can raise a complaint and track its status by submission or to resolution. This ensures their problems are addressed promptly and transparently, a better student experience. Dormitory. By having a detailed information about the dormitory life such as room assignments, visit logs, and outpass records, students can feel safer and more organized. Transportation. Students can see the real-time location of college buses or transportation vehicles, which helps them plan their committee better and avoid any unnecessary delays. Library. This helps students track the books they have borrowed and ensure they are return them on time, avoiding fines and descriptions in their student studies. It also helps them any overdue fines or library related concerns. Course year room. By giving students a clear overview of their academic timetable, subjects, assignments, and deadlines, this feature ensures that students are always on top of their course book and do not miss deadlines or important assignments.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.